If you think the octopus is the only animal in the ocean that can transform, think again. There are other amazingly deceptive sea creatures. At first glance, they are slow-moving, gentle, beautiful. But beware. When threatened, these fish can turn into weapons and become some of the deadliest creatures in the world. What are we talking about? Fugu fish, of course. Let's learn more about them. Crocodiles are the largest reptiles on Earth. Saltwater crocodiles are the largest reptiles in the world. They can weigh from 990 to 1,200 kilograms and grow up to 7 meters. They swallow small stones. To improve digestion, swallowing stones, known as gastrolites, is good for crocodiles, which eat their prey whole, or for animals with shells and bones. Gastroliths help grind up the food in the stomach. These stones can remain in the crocodile's stomach for years. A crocodile bite is the most powerful bite of any animal in the world. The human jaw produces only 45 pounds of pressure per square inch. By comparison, the facts about the crocodile say that the crocodile's jaw can exert 2,200 kilograms of pressure per square inch. Its bite is 10 times stronger than that of the great white shark. Even so, the muscles that open the jaw are so small and weak that a person can use his hands or just a rubber band to close the crocodile's mouth. Crocodiles are excellent swimmers. Crocodiles are extremely fast in the water. They can swim at speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. They use their webbed feet as rudders to steer, and their powerful tails to move through the water. Their tails also help them stand upright in the water for 3 hours. Crocodiles and alligators differ from each other. Alligators and crocodiles are distant relatives. Some people may confuse them with each other, but there is a way to tell which is which. If you look closely, you can see that they have very different mouths. All of the teeth are visible on the crocodile's jaw, even when it is closed. In comparison, alligator teeth are not visible when the mouth is closed. They also have wider, U-shaped muzzles, while crocodiles have more pointed and V-shaped muzzles. They often sleep with their mouths wide open. Don't panic if you see a crocodile with its mouth open. Most people automatically assume they are in immediate danger as soon as they see a crocodile in the water with its mouth open. But in fact, they open their mouths just to cool off. Crocodiles don't sweat, so they will sit or lie down with their mouth open to let the heat out. It may look scary, but they are not actually aggressive. Dinosaurs and crocodiles are actually related. Although crocodiles are classified as reptiles, they are more closely related to dinosaurs and birds. The first crocodile-like species appeared on Earth about 240 million years ago. This was about the same time as the dinosaur. The early crocodile was only about 1 meter tall and stood and ran on 2 legs instead of 4. They had shorter front limbs than hind limbs. The phrase crocodile tears really refers to crocodiles and humans. The expression crocodile tears means a false display of emotion or insincerity. It actually comes from the fact that crocodiles seem to cry while eating their prey. This is because as they chew, air pushes through their sinuses into their tear ducts and seeps out of their eyes, giving the impression that they are actually crying. Crocodiles' eyes water from hissing and puffing while they feed, but not from remorse. And that's where we get the idea of crocodile tears from. 99% of all young crocodiles end up being eaten in their first year of life. Most young crocodiles have a very high infant mortality rate. In the first year of life, 99% of them are eaten by other predators such as adult crocodiles, hyenas, lizards, and even fish. Unfortunately, crocodile eggs are also considered a delicacy by some people. Crocodiles have 24 very sharp teeth, but they never use them to chew food. Although crocodiles have 24 very sharp teeth in their mouths, they very rarely use them to chew food. Instead, they use their teeth to grasp, hold, and crush their prey or food. The small stones they swallow go into their stomachs and grind up the food for them. Their eyes, ears, and nose are always high on their heads. The reason for this is that they can be almost completely submerged in water, but at the same time they can breathe, hear, and see. When crocodiles are submerged in water, their eyes will be surrounded by a protective membrane, almost like goggles that protect their eyes while swimming. The purpose of this is so that they can continue to see underwater. Crocodiles also have a keen sense of smell, and their brains have large olfactory blades that help this sense even more. The temperature of a crocodile egg can determine its sex. If the egg temperature is 31 degrees Celsius, a male crocodile develops. If it is higher or lower than this temperature, a female crocodile will hatch. Crocodiles can make noise from inside the eggs before they hatch. Another interesting thing about crocodiles is that crocodiles warn their mothers when they are ready to hatch. Often buried in the sand, the baby makes small noises from inside the egg shell that the mother hears. The mother crocodile will then dig the eggs out of the sand, protect the babies until they hatch, and take them to the river where they can feed on the insects in the water. Crocodiles kill and eat their prey by drowning it. This is one of the many facts about crocodiles that you will no doubt find interesting. Crocodiles usually like to eat rats, snakes, small mammals, birds and fish. They hunt their prey, grab it and drag it under the water until it sinks. Crocodiles do this instead of killing them outright. Once their prey is dead, they lift it to the surface of the water to devour it.